This plant will grow fast given the right condition, like giving them bright light, warm temperature, fast draining soil, and fertilizer. They love bright light to full sunlight. Personally, I place them in full sun. Water should not stand around the roots, so a fast draining soil is very important. If you're wondering what's my potting mix, it's 2 parts soil and 3 parts pumice. This plant will grow flowers and fruits and tends to lose leaves when old, which makes it a very unique hanging plant. This plant is edible. Other places cook and eat the stems. In India, this is used as a medicine for fractures, injured ligaments, and similar. It's also used as medicines for ulcers, hemorrhoids, indigestion, asthma, and more. Do you prefer to plant this directly without air drying? Please let us know in the comments below. I'm gonna plant this directly into the soil, but to avoid rot, I'm gonna use a sulfur powder. Sulfur powder can help heal the wounds faster and avoid rot. And one more thing, I will not water this for a week. Will this work, or it will rot? Let's find out after a month. I'll show you the result after a month at the end of this video. If you're unsure what to do, it's always best to dry them before planting. My goal here is to make it lush and well balanced. Remember this works to most plants. When you cut a stem, it will grow too. When you cut more, it will grow more stems. So the more you cut, the more branches it will grow. But not all plants can handle this. There are sensitive plants that shouldn't be trimmed. Alright, let's see how it looks after a month. Look at the vines, it's so long now. And look at the branches, it's spreading more. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to see more propagation videos, you might want to see this.